I told you I'd find the best snacks in here.
No way, you actually brought all of that?
Of course, a long flight requires proper fuel.
You are absolutely amazing.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain. Please return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts. We are experiencing some unexpected turbulence. All flight attendants must be seated immediately.
Lily, what is turbulence? Is it serious? Should I be worried?
It is just bumpy air. Nothing dangerous, Tom.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Daily English Talk. I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom. We are so happy you are here with us today.
We upload a brand new English lesson every single day. If you haven't subscribed yet, go press that button right now. You do not want to miss these lessons.
Seriously, don't miss them. We are here every single day, and we need you here with us.
Today's lesson is so good. We are talking about airplane English, the real phrases that flight crews say to passengers on a plane.
Yes, real phrases, important phrases, phrases that I wish I had known before last month.
Tom and I took a trip together last month, and let's just say one of us understood the announcements on the plane and one of us did not.
I was the one who did not.
But by the end of this video, you and Tom will both understand every single phrase you hear on a plane. No more confusion.
Let's go.
Before we start, I have a question for you.
Ooh, a question for the audience.
On our flight last month, the crew made an announcement. Tom heard the announcement. Tom did not understand the announcement. And because of that, Tom did something very funny.
Lily, please.
He did something that made the entire row of passengers turn and look at him.
You don't have to say it like that.
Stay with us until the end of today's video and find out exactly what Tom did on that plane. Leave your guesses in the comments. We want to know what you think happened.
I cannot believe this is my life.
Let's start the lesson. Okay, Tom, let's talk about our trip. Tell everyone where we went.
We flew from New York to Miami last month. Just a short trip, about 3 hours in the air.
It was such a fun trip. Warm weather, good food. I loved it.
The trip was amazing. The flight, however, was a little stressful, for me specifically.
Specifically for Tom. So we get to the airport, we check in, we find our seats. Everything is fine so far.
Everything is totally fine. I am relaxed. I have my snacks. I am ready.
He had so many snacks.
I didn't know what food they had on the plane.
He had an entire bag dedicated to snacks. Chips, crackers, 2 types of chocolate.
A person needs options, Lily.
Okay, so we sit down, the plane starts moving, and then the flight crew begins the announcements. And I notice Tom is leaning forward in his seat, very focused.
Because I was trying so hard to understand, but the words were coming so fast and so formal. It did not sound like normal English to me.
What was the first announcement that confused you?
Okay, so the first one. The crew member said, "Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts as we prepare for departure."
Pretty standard announcement.
Oh, I heard the word fasten and I thought, what is fasten? I looked down at the seatbelt. I looked at you. You were already buckled, so I just copied you.
I saw you looking at me. I thought you were just being friendly.
I was using you as a guide. You were my instruction manual.
Okay, so then what happened?
Then, about an hour into the flight, the plane started shaking. Not a lot, just a little bumping, and the crew said, "Ladies and gentlemen, we are experiencing some turbulence."
I remember this part.
And I heard turbulence, and I turned to you and whispered, "Lily, what is turbulence? Is it serious? Should I be worried?"
He grabbed my arm, everyone. He grabbed my arm while whispering this.
I was a little scared.
I told him it was just bumpy air, nothing dangerous, and he relaxed.
I relaxed, I ate a cracker, I felt better.
He stress eats on planes. This is a new thing I learned about Tom.
Planes make me hungry. That is just a fact about me.
Okay, so we are getting close to Miami now, and the crew makes another announcement. This is the important one. Tell them, Tom.
The crew said, "Ladies and gentlemen, we are now beginning our final descent into Miami."
And Tom heard...
I heard final descent and I thought final dessert. I thought they were saying final dessert, like a snack service before landing.
He turned to me with the biggest smile.
I was so happy. I thought, oh, wonderful, a snack, a final dessert. What a lovely airline.
He asked me what dessert I was going to choose.
I asked her. I said, Lily, what dessert are you going to pick?
And I said, Tom, what are you talking about?
And she looked at me with total confusion. And I said, the dessert, the final dessert. The crew just announced it.
I had to explain to him on the plane. I said, Tom, they said descent, D-E-S-C-E-N-T. The plane is going down. We are landing.
The most disappointing moment of the entire trip.
He sat back in his seat and he looked genuinely sad.
I was sad. I had gotten excited for nothing, and I was almost out of crackers.
Aw, poor Tom. No final dessert. Only landing.
Only landing, which was actually smooth. Very nice landing, but still, no dessert.
So that is exactly why we are doing today's lesson. No more confusion on planes for Tom, and no more confusion for you either. Let's learn the vocabulary.
Let's go.
All right, before the vocabulary, let's talk about a grammar point. You will hear this a lot on planes. It is called the passive voice.
The passive voice. Okay, I have heard this before.
Good. So in a normal sentence, the subject does the action. For example, the crew closes the doors. The crew is acting. This is active voice.
The crew is doing something. Got it.
But in the passive voice, the subject receives the action. So instead, we say, the doors are closed. The doors are the subject, but the doors are not doing anything. They receive the action.
So the focus moves from who is doing it to what is happening.
Exactly right. And flight crews love the passive voice because it sounds formal and professional.
Why not just speak normally?
Because announcements need to sound calm and serious. The plane is being prepared for departure sounds much more official than we are getting the plane ready.
It does sound more trustworthy.
Let's look at 3 quick examples you will hear on every flight. Ready?
Ready.
The cabin doors are now closed.
The cabin doors are now closed. Passive voice.
All carry-on bags must be stowed.
All carry-on bags must be stowed. Passive voice.
Passengers are reminded to fasten their seatbelts.
Passengers are reminded to fasten their seatbelts. Passive voice.
Now you will recognize the passive voice every time you hear an announcement. That is the goal.
I wish I had known this before Miami.
That is exactly why we're here. Let's move into the vocabulary. Okay, first phrase. You hear this the moment you get on the plane. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard.
Aboard. I know this one now, but the first time I heard it, I just smiled and nodded.
The classic. Smile and nod. Okay, aboard. A-B-O-A-R-D. Aboard. It means on a ship or on a plane.
A-B-O-A-R-D. Aboard.
So, welcome aboard means, hello, you are officially on the plane. We are glad you are here.
A formal welcome. Got it.
And here is a fun fact. You can use aboard outside of planes, too. When someone joins a new job, people say, welcome aboard. It means welcome to the team.
My manager said that to me on my first day. I looked around for a plane.
No plane needed. Use it in a sentence, Tom.
I hope the captain welcomed all passengers aboard the flight.
Perfect. Say it with me. Aboard.
Aboard.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard.
Next phrase. Please fasten your seatbelt.
This is the one I copied from Lily on our Miami flight. I had no idea what fasten meant. I just watched her hands.
You watched me click my seatbelt and then copied me exactly. His instincts were correct.
My hands knew before my brain did.
Fasten. F-A-S-T-E-N. Fasten. It means to close or connect something securely, to click it shut and lock it in place.
F-A-S-T-E-N. Fasten.
And here is a pronunciation secret. The T is completely silent. We do not say fasten, we say fasten.
Silent T. I did not know this.
Fasten. Try it.
Fasten. Fasten. Fasten your seatbelt.
And fasten is not just for seat belts. You can fasten a button, a zipper, a bag.
I fasten my backpack twice every morning. I lost a water bottle once. Never again.
One water bottle changed his whole routine. Use it in a sentence.
Please fasten your seatbelt before the plane takes off.
Say it with me. Fasten.
Fasten.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Next phrase. We are beginning our final descent.
Oh, the great dessert misunderstanding.
Tell them, Tom.
I heard descent and I thought dessert. I thought the airline was bringing a final snack before landing. I turned to Lily with a huge smile and asked her what dessert she was going to choose.
He was so happy.
I was so happy and then so sad.
Okay. Descent. D-E-S-C-E-N-T. Descent. It means moving downward from a high place to a lower place.
D-E-S-C-E-N-T. Descent. Going down.
The final descent is the last stage before landing. The plane gets lower and lower until it reaches the airport.
So the correct reaction is to sit quietly and prepare for landing, not to look for a snack cart.
Correct reaction noted. Use it in a sentence.
The pilot announced that we had begun our final descent into Miami.
Excellent. Say it with me. Descent.
Descent.
We are beginning our final descent.
We are beginning our final descent.
Next phrase. We are experiencing some turbulence.
This is the one where I grabbed Lily's arm on the plane.
Very suddenly, mid-flight, he grabbed my arm and whispered, "Lily, is this serious?"
I needed information very quickly.
Turbulence. 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 When the plane shakes or bumps because of rough air. The air around the plane moves in different directions and the plane feels it.
Turbulence. Turbulence.
Great spelling. Pilots describe it in levels. Mild turbulence is light and gentle, nothing dangerous. Severe turbulence is strong. That is when you hold on tight.
Mild versus severe. On our flight, it was mild, just a few small bumps. I ate a cracker and felt better.
Crackers solve many problems. Use it in a sentence.
The captain warned passengers about mild turbulence ahead.
Great sentence. Say it with me. Turbulence.
Turbulence.
We are experiencing mild turbulence.
We are experiencing mild turbulence.
Next phrase. Please return your seat to the upright position.
I heard this and I started pressing buttons on the armrest. I did not know which direction was upright.
He pressed 4 different buttons trying to figure it out.
There are so many buttons on a plane seat.
Upright. U-P-R-I-G-H-T. Upright. It means straight up, vertical, not leaning back. When you recline your seat, you tilt it backward to rest. Before landing, the crew asks you to return it straight again.
U-P-R-I-G-H-T. Upright. Sit straight.
And the reason is safety. If the plane stops suddenly during landing, passengers sitting upright are much safer than those who are reclined.
I never knew the reason. I always just copied the people around me.
Copying is a valid strategy. I use this word in yoga class too. My instructor always says, keep your spine upright. Same meaning, tall and straight.
I should join yoga just for the vocabulary.
Best reason ever. Use it in a sentence.
The flight attendant asked everyone to return their seats to the upright position before landing.
Perfect. Say it with me. Upright.
Upright.
Please return your seat to the upright position.
Please return your seat to the upright position.
Last phrase. Please stow your carry-on luggage in the overhead bin.
Stow. I heard this word and my brain went completely blank. 3 full seconds of nothing.
I watched it happen. His eyes just stopped working.
I had never heard stow in my life.
Stow. S-T-O-W. Stow. It means to store something neatly and safely in a specific place. On a plane, to stow your bag means to put it away in the storage space above your seat.
S-T-O-W, stow. Put it away neatly.
And the word comes from sailing. Sailors used to stow cargo on ships hundreds of years ago. Then it moved to aviation.
Words travel just like people.
They really do. And carry-on luggage is the small bag you bring onto the plane with you. The overhead bin is the storage compartment directly above your seat.
Overhead because it is over your head. That part I understood.
Progress! Now tell them your stow story, Tom.
So I put my carry-on bag in the overhead bin, but I could not close it. I was pushing and pushing. A flight attendant had to come and help me.
And why couldn't it close?
The snacks. I packed too many snacks. The bag was completely full.
The snacks defeated him twice on the same flight.
The flight attendant rearranged my entire bag. She found a way. She was a genius.
Ah, a true hero. Use stow in a sentence.
Please stow your carry-on luggage in the overhead bin before takeoff.
Excellent. Say it with me. Stow.
Stow.
Please stow your carry-on luggage.
Please stow your carry-on luggage.
Now we want to hear from you. Have you ever been confused on a plane? What word or phrase did you not understand? Tell us in the comments below. We read every single one.
Your comments really do make our day, every single time.
If this lesson helped you today, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And subscribe if you haven't yet. We are here every single day with a brand new lesson for you.
Keep going, keep practicing. You are doing better than you think.
You showed up today. That already counts.
See you in the next lesson.
See you tomorrow.